several questions. The first one, what do you think about our Nazarbayev Center? It's Norman Foster's creation. Do you like it?
No, it's a beautiful building, and I like the aesthetics, I like the harmony of the forms, but more in particular I also like the technologies, because this building is energy efficient. So it's the building of the future. We would like to have all buildings like this in the world. Yes.
Thank you. And what do you think about Expo 2017?
Well, Expo 2017 is a very nice, particularly because we are in this moment discussing very big problems for the human being. And so the question of energy, the future of energy, how we're going to live in this planet, too many people that need to be given them energy enough for lives. I think it's very good because also as international scientists we have the possibility to talk, to confront, to discuss. We need this type of events.
Thank you. And you've been in Astana for the first time or visited earlier?
No, this is for me the first time to be in Astana, and I'm really impressed because I thought it was mostly desert area. It's indeed the city is beautiful, and there's demonstration that even in a quick time you are able to construct very nice buildings, and it's good for as a model for the world.
And the last question, what do you wish for our young Kazakh scientists?
Oh, I think that the wishes for the young people is that they have to find the solutions for the future. We have to give them more responsibility, because they have to start to take in their hands the real life. And I believe that young people are more advanced than us, because we made a lot of mistakes in our generation. And I think we should stimulate their creativity. So there is a nice word said by Steve Jobs from Apple, saying be foolish and be brave, be courageous. And I think that's good for young people.
Thank you very much.